Life throws many spanners in the works, and your outlook on those things can dictate whether those things take over and become you, or whether you rise from them. And it's not always easy to see the silver linings in bad situations or things that are happening to you. But the two talks that I've attended from Shaylin and the Happy Life Habits have really helped me find tools and think of ways that I can apply them to my life and to situations that I'm facing currently. I attended a talk on healthy relationships at the SCVP Jane School, and Shaylin did an amazing talk at Veer's virtual Extravaganza, and both of these talks have just really helped me with things that I'm facing in my life. So I just wanted to say I really thoroughly recommend talks by Shaylin. You should really listen to what he has to say. Everyone wants to be happy, and you just need to know how to deal with them and how to be grateful for what you do have, and adapt your thinking so that you can be happy. Please visit Happy Life Habits, and thank you so much, Shaylin, for everything that you've given me.